Hey everybody, Remix here. And in case you're watching this, then welcome to the One Piece theory that I've been thinking I might do later, and as I explained in my previous video, Toriko chapter review. So, without further ado, let's get down to it. Okay, so the theory is that you can actually about the devil fruit that you can actually eat two devil fruits. I don't know if anybody covered this yet, but the theory is that you can eat two devil fruits, but the trick is that you gotta eat it in the in the correct class. Now we heard like in a couple of episodes, we heard like an Ace Lobby art explained by Bruno that if you eat two devil fruits, you will explode. But it's actually been proven wrong one time when Whitebeard ate or took, when Blackbeard took Whitebeard's devil fruit, the Trimmer fruit, or the Goro Goro no Mi, I think that's it, the Goro Goro no Mi. Correct me in the comments if anybody's watching this, please comment. So, coming back to the theory, now the trick, as I explained, the trick is you have to get it in the class, but seeing how Blackbeard is in a different class, as he said, that he's actually a Logia, but I doubt that's true. I doubt he misled that, and he's actually really a Paramecia type. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, yeah, and not only that, but I've been thinking it just makes sense because, like, as you might know, Whitebeard's fruit is Paramecia, and Blackbeard's fruit, well, I think, actually, I believe his fruit is a Paramecia. Like, let's say, yeah, let me sorry. That is actually a Paramecia. That is actually a Paramecia, and that he just misspelled it and think it is a Logia. Okay, I could be wrong. Otherwise, what I was about to say, you can't eat two devil fruits, but the trick is you have to eat it in the exact same class that you ate your first devil fruit. If you can eat it, like, let's say, if, okay, let's take Luffy for example. Now, knowing him, he might recognize the devil fruit, but get him pretty hungry enough, he might not even think. I mean, just think about it. Just bear with me here. Now, Luffy might get really hungry to the point he actually eats a devil fruit without knowing it, and after he realizes he ate a devil fruit, and it will be a Paramecia devil fruit. Now, I don't know how long it takes for a person to explode if they eat a devil fruit, but and they never said. So yeah. Now now he he now it's been like almost 24 hours, and yet he hasn't exploded yet. And like let's say Zoro or Sanji was with them, and they didn't notice him eating the devil fruit until they looked at him and he swallowed it, and they're like, "You just ate two devil fruits," and they started running away from him because they don't know what's gonna happen. And then it's 24 hours later, and or like a couple hours later, he hasn't exploded yet. He has not exploded yet, and I was wondering why. And then I don't know, maybe just maybe, out of sheer coincidence, somebody that was studying devil fruits may actually explain why that happened and why he has not exploded. It's due to the fact that he ate devil fruit that is in the class, and he asked him what kind of devil fruit color it is, what shape it is, what's the patterns, because I'm thinking the patterns and the shapes the devil fruit, the pin or the like the patterns on the devil fruit actually tells the class. I might be wrong though, but yeah. So like I just said, it's just a theory, guys. If you, I don't know why I'm just looking at the camera now. It's just a theory. Bear with me here. And that same thing actually goes for the other classes. Chopper, let's say a chopper in adult food. It's also its own type. I like, wow, that is pretty good. So anyway, I don't know why I'm adding my comments. Like I said, it's just a theory, guys. As I said before, please don't hate me for that. Anyway, so yeah, again, it's just a theory. If you guys want to speculate on, if you guys want to add in a couple of your own theories that I might do, if you guys got any theories on double proofs or anything else, One Piece, let me. I'll I'll share your theory out there with the rest of them. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next. I'll see you guys on the next video for any episodes or manga reviews. I might even do a Black Clover review when the chapter comes out. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.